use it because when I'm working, it allows me to make things quickly and cleanly. I don't have to solder if I don't want to. I can fuse all the work together. It's hypoallergenic, it's antibacterial, it's whiter than standard sterling. It's just a lovely material and has no downsides as far as I'm concerned. Yes, Argentium can be hallmarked. Although we have recently upgraded from 935 to 940, so 93.5% to 94% pure silver, under UK hallmarking legislation, it still hallmarks as 925. If you register with us, which you can do online at www.argentiumguild.com, you can register to use our trademark. The assay office will then be notified and you can have the addition of the Pegasus mark, which is our trademark, added to your hallmark, so that although it isn't differentiated by a numerical change in the hallmark, it can have that additional premium mark added so that when you're talking to your customers, you can say with all conviction, it is a piece of Argentium, it has the Argentium hallmark. In terms of any specialist equipment, no, you don't need anything different. It's exactly the same set of tooling, which is great because it means that you can use the two things and interchange. It is tarnish resistant, which is fantastic. It is fire stain free, which is a huge benefit. It's one of those things you can fuse gold to it, but the higher the caratage, the better the success rate.